My family really had their doubts. They all said it would be hard work.
So many people are afraid to chase their dreams, but passion isn't something you can just forget.
I've always followed my own path. I wanted to be different. Do something outside the box.
George Brown taught me it takes leadership, teamwork, and a whole lot of hard work.
Don't be afraid to roll up your sleeves and let your hands get dirty. It's always more fun that way.
I didn't think you were allowed to enjoy school this much. But this whole experience has changed my mind.
It didn't hurt to be mentored by some of the best teachers in the world.
It was the perfect mix. Classroom learning and on-site practice. The best of both worlds.
I've always been on the hunt for my next adventure. Who knew this is where I'd find it?
All you need
Is to be at the right place
at the right time.